What's up, everyone? For today's video, we will learn about the presentation of business data. If you are wondering, how do we present a business data? Well, first we need to learn the types of data. It can be categorized into two, the group data and the ungrouped data. Group data is a data that is organized and arranged into different classes or categories, while ungrouped data is a data that is not organized or, if arranged, could only be from highest to lowest or vice versa. Now we have the four basic graphs, which are the column graph, bar graph, line graph, and pie chart. So the column graph consists of patterned rectangles displayed along a baseline called the x category or the horizontal axis. The rectangle's height represents the amount of data evaluated using the y category or the vertical axis. The left to right bias most people possess makes column graphs more appropriate for time series data than bar graphs. Column graphs best show changes in data over a short period and relationships between two or more data series. Now, using this set of data, construct a column graph for company A versus B versus C's net income for the year 2011 to 2013. After inputting the needed information, our graph should look like this. Next is the bar graph. The bar graph is a column graph which the rectangles are arranged horizontally along the y-axis. The length of each rectangle represents its value, which is evaluated using the x-axis values. Bar graphs best shows data series and comparisons in competition with no natural order, such as time. So using this set of data, construct a bar graph for Company D's sales and itemized expenses for the year 2014. After inputting the needed information, our graph should look like this. For our third graph is the line graph. It connects data points with lines. Different series are given other line markings or different tick marks. It best shows a comparison of long series and it best used to communicate a data trend. So using this set of data, construct a line graph for company C's sales and net income for the year 2011 to 2015. After inputting the needed information, our graph should look like this. And lastly, we have the pie chart. It is a circle with radii connecting the center to the edge of the circle. The area between two radii is called a slice. The proportions of the data values in the pie chart to the whole are reflected in the areas of the slice. So using this set of data, construct a pie chart for the breakdown of Company E's expenses for the year 2014. After inputting the needed information, our chart should look like this. Now your turn. Try creating your own graph. Using this set of data, construct a bar graph for the company's C's sales and itemized expenses for the year 2012. See you next time as Archimedes awaits you. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be updated for our next video.